Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Walmart gift card not redeeming. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Walmart gift card not redeeming, the first method that you can use is check the gift card number and PIN. Most redemption issues happen due to typing mistakes, so what you can do is look at the gift card carefully, enter the gift card number, PIN or access code by scratching the silver strip if physical card, or find it in your email for digital cards, and make sure there are no extra spaces and try copy and paste for digital cards. Next method is make sure the card is activated. Physical cards bought in stores must be activated at checkout. Simply check your receipt, it should say gift card activated. If not activated, go back to the store and ask them to activate it and then try redeeming it. The next method is check your Walmart account. Simply head over and open up your Walmart application or sign into your walmart.com on your browser, and then once that's done, simply tap on my account on the bottom right corner of your screen, then select Walmart wallet. Now inside Walmart wallet, select add a gift card and then make sure your account is verified and active. Sometimes card fail if the account has issues, so these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.